Wheel bearings, what are they and what do they do? Wheel bearings sit behind your hub. Those wheel bearings are responsible for spinning the wheel in the place that it's at. Now, as the wheel bearings start to wear out, one of the symptoms that we get, we're able to actually rock the tire itself. When we see that, the reason we're worried about it is it means that the bearing is becoming loose. If that bearing gets so loose, the rollers inside can actually seize up, and worst case scenario, this happens. One of the symptoms that those are going bad, aside from being able to rock it, is a sound. It sounds like a... It increases with your speed, so you'll hear it a little bit, and as you go faster, that rotation will get higher and higher and higher. If you're feeling or hearing anything like that, please stop by a Gills Point S near you so that we can check it out and make sure you're safe on the road. Hear that? That's a bad wheel bearing.